Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Picoworkers, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legitimate website? Alright, can you really find micro jobs? Is this a good marketplace? And the big question is, how much money can you really make on this site, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month, 100% from home, just with your computer and the internet, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy, okay? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are just an absolute waste of time. So let's check out Picoworkers to find out how this opportunity is compared to a lot of the other make money stuff online, okay? Now, Picoworkers is actually a pretty new micro job website. It's a marketplace, so you can come here, and a micro job is something where you basically have to do something very, very small, but they'll pay you very, very little for that particular task, okay? So this is how it works. If you come here, you can register and you can create an account from anywhere in the world, okay? So they would just need your username, your email address, and again, they're located pretty much anywhere you can do this, all right, which is pretty cool, all right? But the thing is, the jobs that you're going to be completing they don't pay very high, all right? That's the thing that you have to understand. So if you scroll down here, you'll see it's things like, watching a YouTube video. That YouTube video might be 5 or 10 minutes long. That pays 10 cents, okay? This one might require you to just click on a link, right? So that's 3 cents. This one, you have to sign up for a simple email form, okay? With adult content, they pay 2 cents there. Submit a simple survey, they're paying 3 cents right there. So it's just a very, very little task, okay? Just read this specific thing online, it's 3 cents. Click on a website, 3 cents. Click on an ad, is 3 cents, right? Things like that. So you can see that they don't really pay that well or that much, because that's what a micro website is for, all right? But also, when you're navigating the site, you'll see that there are a lot of these little ads popping up, okay, which can be a little bit annoying at times when you're trying to look at something. So let's just take a look at one of these jobs. Visit and click my web link, right? So they'll give you the instructions here. First, go to this link. Click on the journal insurance, open the web for, wait for 30 seconds, click on an ad on a website, give me proof. If you're wrong, I decline your job, okay? And then if you do everything correctly, then they will pay you 3 cents for this particular job, all right? So it does take you a little while, every single job will take you at least a few minutes, all right? So it is legitimate, and you can do this, and there's 200 vacancies for this job, that kind of thing. You just need to be careful though, because a lot of the time, what micro jobs you see this little ad popped up again, so it's a little bit annoying there, right? But a lot of these jobs, what they're kind of designed to do is they want people to either opt into their form to get them, better statistics, or it's a little bit of SEO work, or watch a YouTube video, sign up for a social media account, things like that, all right? And so you just have to be careful about some of these jobs, because not all of these jobs are white hat, okay? So some of them are kind of gray area, some of them are black hat strategies. So as long as you're okay with that, then these are the types of jobs that you will get. But generally, you can see that they don't pay very high. A lot of them, again, this one is $1, but most of the jobs are like 3 cents, 2 cents, this is 5 cents, right? So you have to ask yourself, how long is it going to take you for you to earn, $10, for example, okay? It's going to take you quite a while, all right? Because if you're taking most jobs at 3 cents, you'd have to do like 30 to 40 jobs to earn $1, and that might take you quite a while to do 30 to 40 jobs, right? At least a few hours there, okay? But it is legit, and they pay out through PayPal, Payeer, and AirTM. So most people have PayPal, Payeer, and AirTM, so you should be able to receive your money that way. They have a $10 threshold, okay? So you have to make at least $10 before they pay out. Again, that's going to take you a little while, all right? That might take you, a few days, at least a week, before you can do that, depending on how many jobs you pick up, okay? But Picoworkers is a pretty cool, I would say, micro website. Only a couple of things that are the issues. The ads pop up quite a lot, right? And they don't pay super high. It's quite low, all right? Some of the other micro job websites pay a little bit higher. Sometimes it's 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents per job. This one's very little. Okay, 3 cents is kind of You know, really, really little right there, okay? But you can check it out if you want. There's some other, you know, pretty cool micro websites like Sprout Gigs is very popular, okay? Another one is Picoworkers as well, so if you want to check that out, you can. And these are some of the really popular micro websites out there, okay? So if you're watching this video though, and you're like, Aaron, I want to make money online, but I don't really want to make like, you know, 3 cents here, 2 cents there. I mean, this is like super low pay. I mean, if you live in a country where earning, you know, 3 cents for every task, or maybe earning $1 a day is life-changing, then I think micro websites are great. But if you live in a big country where, you know, $1 a day, $2 a day is not going to really change your life, I mean, you know, you're looking for hundreds and thousands of dollars a day, then this type of strategy is not really going to get you there. All right, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and for me, if you're going to be online and leveraging the internet, you should be making thousands of dollars every month, okay? Not like a couple of bucks here, a couple of bucks there, which a lot of these strategies I've reviewed actually pay out, right? So if you're a beginner and you want to go from zero to your first 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month, 100% from home, just with your internet and computer, there's one strategy which I think is still the best out of all the ones I've reviewed. If you want to find out what that is, just click the link below and I'll send you that my favorite strategy on how to do that, and you can check that out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Picoworkers. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.